please welcome live to live with us, Asia Songbird, a terrific and excellent singer and actress, Miss Regine Velasquez. Good afternoon, Miss Reg.
Welcome, Miss Regine.
Welcome to Entertainment Live.
It's my first time to be here. I'm very
It is an honor to share the stage with you.
Same here, same
We're
here.
so honored that you're here. Pero teka muna, pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang MMK, the very much awaited MMK na malapit na nating mapanood.
This is going to be on Friday.
Okay.
Pagkatapos po nung napaka-successful na episode ni Casey, ito naman po yung isusunod ng Maalaala Mo Kaya. It's an honor for me to do this. This is my second time. The first time was with Piolo nga.
And you won
And
an
you won an award.
award.
Yeah.
Grabe. First
Best
time.
actress ako. Meron kaming napapangipangitang baka maging best picture. Pero ako lang. Best picture ako lang.
sa'yo lang.
Pero Miss
Ako
Reg,
lang.
they were saying that Tito Albert said, tsaka si Direk Jeffy, na they were very, very happy with your performance.
Very impressed.
Very, very
Talaga?
impressed.
I'm so happy. Hindi kasi si Direk Jeffrey, nakalimutan kong sabihin sa kanya na hindi ako nagre-rehearse. So pag nire-rehearse nila ako, niloloko ko, pinapalitan ko yung mga lines. Si Albert umiiyak na.
Naku.
Wait, you don't rehearse,
Serious?
Miss Reg?
No,
At least there's one thing na may
Wow.
nalaman tayo today. Hindi pala siya
Oo,
nagre-rehearsal.
nakalimutan kong sabihin sa kanya. I mean, gagawin ko yung blocking, I'll say my lines, but I won't,
Yung emotions pa.
I don't put the emotions. Kasi na-affect, mabilis ako ma-affect. So, masyado magiging heavy or either that or masyado ng acting na acting na hindi na masyadong spontaneous. That's why I don't rehearse.
What's the name of your character and ano yung...
Similarities niyo.
Kaming dalawa, well, aside from sa buhok, ano nga ba yung pangalan ko? Kathy. Kathy is my name here. And siguro, in some ways, medyo nakaka-relate ako sa kanya because of, yun nga yung parang, hindi siya masyadong happy with her, although wala naman ako asawa, she wasn't very happy with her
Married life.
married life. And then nakita niya itong kanyang parang first love na hino-haunt siya na hindi ka naman magtataka, ang gwapo.
Oo. Narikindle.
Parang ganyan, something like that. Now, kailangan nating, ang papakaabangan natin, I think, is kung madedecide ba nila to live their respective families to be together. Yun.
Ay.
On that romance note,
On that romance.
kamusta na kayo ni Tito Ogie?
Tito Ogie talaga.
Lagot ka!
Yun ang
Nagtito
tawag
ko
ko sa kanya talaga. Yun ang tawag sa kanya because kilala ko si Tito Ogie ever since. Bata pa lang ako, pinapanood ko na siya.
Lagot ka! Ako
Bakit?
nga sasabihin ko Kuya Ogie, pero...
Masama ba rumispeto sa nakakatanda?
Lagot ka talaga!
Bakit? Kamusta na kayo?
How was Valentine?
Parang ibig sabihin, nun ganun din tatawag niyo sa akin, Tita Regine.
Hindi naman sis. Hindi naman sis.
Ako, Miss Regine. How was the Valentine's Day?
Valentine's Day, okay naman, pero nagtrabaho kasi siya. He was in Iloilo. So, pinuntahan ko lang siya doon. So, ang Valentine, actually, nakakatawa yung Valentine sa amin. Kasi actually, he didn't know that I was gonna go there.
Oh, may
Kasi
surprise.
meron akong ginawa meron akong something dito for my mom. So, nung gabi, I went there to surprise him. And he was so surprised. But I have to tell you this. Since pagod na kami pareho, so, nag-ano na lang kami, nanood kami ang Valentine's namin, ang Valentine date namin ni Ogie. Nanood kami ng movie ni Bea Alonso at ni John Lloyd.
One more chance?
Hindi, Close to You.
Close to you!
Sa TV.
Good choice.
Hindi
Very,
nga.
very good choice.
Tapos kaming dalawa, palakpakan kaming dalawa. Ang ganda-ganda. Ang galing ni John Lloyd. Ang galing ni John Lloyd. Ang ganda ni Bea. So kami pareho, parang pinagnanasahan namin yung
Thank you for sharing that.
Oo, parang pinagnanasahan
Thank you
namin
for
na parang
sharing
kami, na too much information.
information.
Sorry, I'm too emotional these days. No, but it was such a good movie and we enjoyed watching it. Kasi Valentine's Day, so parang ito a perfect film to watch.
Very simple lang na date nila, yet very memorable. Pero ito na ang pinakaabangan tanong ng buong bayan. Meron na bang wedding plans? Kailan na ba ang wedding bells?
Parang may nagre-react na, kinikilig sila. Hindi, parang pusa.
And lalaki yun, ha?
Lalaki
ng katawan, ha?
Lalaki yun, oo.
Parang pusa. Ano ba yun?
Any wedding bell soon?
You know, we have a lot of things to settle. You know, I always say this kasi talagang hindi din namin pwede ding sabihin pa sa mga tao kasi syempre na, ano yun legal matters yun So, kailangang dapat hindi muna namin sinasabi. But yun lang. We have to settle a lot of things, especially on his part. Pero kung maayos namin yun, then syempre, nagkakaroon ka naman ng relationship, hindi mo naman iniisip na pang today lang, di ba? Ang isip mo naman is,
3 days.
mga 3 months. Mga 3 months
Longevity.
naman. Yung future naman. And ako kasi, hindi naman ako nag-iisip na meron pang iba. Sa akin yon, ewan ko sa kanya.
Ganun talaga dapat sa isang But of course, Miss Reg, magkasama ba kayo ni Kuya Ogie pag nanood ng MMK?
Siyempre. Kasi, hindi kasi gusto ko siya. Kailangan talaga yan ang music.
Yun talaga ang ano nun, cueing.
Hindi. Kasi gusto kong kuhanin din yung ano niya, kung, yung opinion niya kung kamusta yung acting ko, kung gano'n. And binibigay naman niya yung opinion niya. Minsan masyadong honest. Naiinis ako. Pwede yung medyo gandahan mo naman ang content, di ba?
Pwede kang magsinungaling ng konti.
Pwede mo huwag masyado i-hurt yung feelings ko.
I-sugarcoat naman.
Medyo pwede hindi mo naman ako insultuhin ng konti.
And with that, I'm sure everyone's really excited to watch the MMK of Miss Regine Velasquez.
Yes.
Would you like to invite everyone?
I'd like to say thank you to ABS-CBN, Ms. Shara Santos, for inviting me again to do Maalaala Mo Kaya, which I miss doing. Thank you very, very much to everybody, the staff, the crew, si Derek, si Albert, lahat ng nakatrabaho ko po. I had a great time working with you guys. Thank you very much for having me. Thank you guys for having me. And sa Friday na po ito, gusto ko lamang po magpasalamat sa Bello Essentials, Roberto Cavalli, at saka sa Wow Magic Sing, the best-selling Magic Sing ever in the whole wide universe.
No, that's an endorser. And Miss Reg, congratulations in advance dahil we
Thank
know
you.
that it is going to be a very big hit.
Abangan talaga
Thank you
namin
very
yun.
much. Thank you.
At bukod dyan, pwede rin nila abangan na Marrying a Millionaire. Magsisimula na sa Lunes after maging sino ka man. Miss
Ay,
Regine, maraming
pwede pa ba ako dyan? Mary Namil.
Ayaw ni Kuya
Eligible
Ogie.
pa ba?
Ayaw ni Tito Ogie niya.
Ayaw,
Pasensya
ayaw,
na, pasensya
ayaw.
na.
Thank you, Miss Regine.
Thank you for having me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Marami pa intriga sa pagbabalik ng Entertainment Live.